In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use prompt extenders to improve results in Artistly AI. Once you're logged into Artistly AI, go to the image generation tool from your dashboard and open the main prompt box. Next, start by writing a simple base prompt describing what you want to create. For example, a futuristic city at night with glowing lights and flying cars. Now, to improve the result, you can use prompt extenders by expanding your original idea with more detail. This means adding extra information about style, lighting, composition, and quality. For example, you can extend your prompt like this: a futuristic city at night with glowing lights and flying cars, cinematic wide-angle view, ultra-detailed architecture, neon reflections on wet streets, soft fog, dramatic lighting, high realism, 8K quality, professional concept art style. The idea is that the extender builds on your original prompt by making it more descriptive and visually rich, which helps the AI generate better and more accurate results. After refining your extended prompt, click Generate and compare the results with your original version. You'll usually notice more detail, better composition, and improved overall quality. Finally, keep your best extended prompts saved so you can reuse them for future designs and maintain consistent high-quality outputs. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.